The really wonderful thing about spreadsheets is that you can embed a formula to process data in an entire set of cells. To illustrate this example, we are using Excel 2010. You will see that spreadsheets may differ slightly from one program to another, but they are all fairly similar. Let's start this clip by creating a formula that can be used to add data. Select the cell where you want the sum to appear. Then, put your cursor in the formula bar to enter the formula. For addition, put an equals sign in the formula bar. This sign tells the program that the cell will contain a formula, not text. Then, put in the formula you want, as we have done in this example, and click on Enter, which is represented by the check mark. Notice that the formula appears in the formula bar, and the result shows in the cell itself. You can also add data from other cells in the worksheet. To do this, you click on the cell where the result should appear, and then on the formula bar. Type the equals sign and select each of the cells to include in the formula, and then the appropriate mathematical operator, in this case, plus. Then click on the check mark in the formula bar. To subtract, use the minus sign. For example, select cell B5 as the place to display the result, enter this formula there, and click the check mark or hit Enter on your keyboard. To create a formula that subtracts data from different cells, click on the cell where you want the result to be displayed, and click on the formula bar. Then enter the equals sign and identify each cell you want to include in the formula with the appropriate mathematical operator, that is, minus. Finally, click on Enter. The mathematical operator that represents multiplication is the asterisk. For example, select the result cell, enter the equation, and click on Enter. If the data are in different cells, click the result cell, and then click on the formula bar. Enter the formula you want, as in this example, and then click on Enter. The mathematical operator that represents division is the slash. To divide, select a cell to enter an operation, as we have done here, and then click Enter. If the data are found in other cells, click on the result cell, and then click on the formula bar. Enter the formula you want, as we have in this example, and then click Enter. To do operations using a spreadsheet, it is helpful to understand that the software follows a strict hierarchical order, from left to right, and in the natural order of mathematical operations. Multiplication and division take priority over addition and subtraction, even if they do not appear first. In other words, in the formula 3 plus 6 times 2, 6 is multiplied by 2 and 3 is added to the product for a total of 15. That's it. Now you can use formulas in a spreadsheet. You know how to add, subtract, multiply, and divide several data from different cells, and you know the order of priority for the mathematical operations. So go ahead and use formulas for your project.